Children, once again we are coming back to our small letters. My first book of writing, small letters, and we will continue with our learning the small letter K. We have finished up to J, and today we will begin the letter K. K for, see which picture is this? King. Very good. K for king. K for kangaroo. Very good. And we have written this alphabet in the capital letter. We have to write it in a similar way as we have written in the capital letters. But we have made a standing line on the first three lines, and again the slanting lines on the first, second and third. All three lines we have used. But into the small letters we will do in between the second and third line, the slanting lines. So see here, we will make one standing line from first line to third line, all three lines. So we make one standing line. Now we will not go back to the first line, but we will come back to second line and we'll make a slanting line. And between the second and third line, we have to make it a slanting line between second and third line. One slanting from above, one slanting from down, and we get the letter K. On the page number 28 of the small letters, you will already have the tracing. So you will just do overwriting on that. So standing line on the first three lines, then between the second and third line you will have two slanting lines, and you get the letter K. Similar way on the page number 29 also you will do. So you will have first three lines, the standing line, and then the second line and the third line, and in between the second line, here see second and third line, and then you will make like this, one slanting, another slanting. So you get the letter K. Once again I am putting the dots so you will understand where you are supposed to put the dots. Okay, and here in between one more dot, so that you will have, and this on the second line, two dots. So you will make first one standing line, then this dot you will join in between the second line. Yes, here also one dot, so you will understand. This is second and third line, in between one more dot, so that this line slanting will come to this dot. You will join here and then you come back. First you join to this dot, this there with a slanting line, one slanting here and another slanting down, and you get the letter K. Okay, one dot, second dot, third dot, between one more dot, here two dots. So you get one standing line, then you come back to this with the slanting lines, and you get the letter K. And down you will color the pictures. K for kite, K for kitten. And then you will turn to page number 30, and you will have L for lotus. Very good. L for lotus and L for lion. And here we are going to do only one standing line. Only one standing line, and that is on the first three lines. So it is very easy. That's why you will have today the letter K and the letter L also, both the letters. So it is on the page number 30, and then page number 31 also you will have to put the dots to and make one standing line, and it is small letter L. Small letter, small letter L it is. So you just put one like this dots and you will get the letter L joining these two dots. So it is very easy to write. So you will have page number 28, 29, 30 and 31 for your homework. So there are 4 pictures to color and 4 pages to do your work. The letter K and the letter L. Okay, bye. See you.